Hey guys, it's Adam with the Bullet Envy Channels. Thank you for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to try to get this done in under 5 minutes. Just going to go straight to the meat and potatoes. So the question is, how do you make money on YouTube before getting monetized? And I'm going to show you one way that I do it, because I need 120 more subscribers and then I will get ad revenue. But not there yet. So what I've been doing is affiliate marketing with Amazon, other things. So we'll just start here. We'll go to content. So for instance, let's click this video. Boom, right here. You put your affiliate link. So anytime someone clicks on this link right here, which I can't, but we'll say I click on it, it brings them directly to Amazon and to that product. And then they'll look on, and within the next 24 hours, they'll be able to, all the items that they buy, you'll get a percentage of it. And I'm trying to do this all in one take, so no editing. All right, so if you want to check your affiliate links and all the things that you've been paid for, you click here. I'm not going to go in on how to sign up. There's plenty of videos on that. It's not hard. It's just, you just email them and they email you back and you're pretty much there. You set up a profile. So this is the home, and here are your clicks. So just for this month, we're 20 days in. This is what I made for this month. Last 30 days. So every time you get a click, it tells you what you've made on commission. So $1. $2. Then there was quite a dry spell, and I think this gray bar right here is when they click on it but they don't buy. So here's another one, 97 cents. Then a big one shot up to $4.89, $3.48, 76 cents. So you can click there, or you can go over here to reports and click earnings report. And this is going to tell you pretty much the same thing it did, except you'll get to see exactly what they bought. So this is the ordered items, tells you how many they ordered. Then earnings tells you how much they paid versus how much you made. But keep in mind, this is free income. Like, it's passive. You didn't have to do anything. You set up a few links. You did have to review the product or put the product in your video, but you were doing that anyway to make the YouTube video. This is just additional. So it's your, even if you're monetized, it's just double dipping essentially. And it's a really smart way to make extra money. Amazon can send you cash or gift cards, but if they send you cash, I think the minimum has to be $100. But if it's a gift card, then I think $10 is the minimum. So just for now, until my channel gets a little bit bigger, I chose the gift card. Who doesn't like free Amazon gift cards? So every time someone clicks on any of my videos, let's go to another one. We'll say, for instance, this one. This unit right here is $589. So if someone were to click on this link and purchase this item, I would get somewhere between 2 and 5% of $589. And that's a pretty substantial amount. And then anything else they order on Amazon for the next 24 hours, I do believe, you make money from those things as well. So it's a really good way to make money when you're not getting ad revenue. And just some bonus tips. You can do supers. Where did it go? Earn. So you can do supers, which is basically like people tipping you, but you only get 70% of what people tip you. Amazon takes the other 30, or YouTube takes the other 30, sorry. And then you can do memberships, but I am only doing these right now. And since I've had 500 subscribers, which was about a year ago, I have yet to get one of these. So don't rely on this money. Just pretend it doesn't exist. If somebody happens to do that for you, then you can be nice and surprised. But this is a more for sure way that you can make money, and you don't have to rely on someone else or someone doing something out of the goodness of their heart. Like you are setting this up, you are making your money. So we'll go to payment history. See, you'll have one ID that you get to change. I think you can change this. It's been so long I don't remember. But say I started in 2024, so I've not even been at this a year yet. And this is the amount I've made. So 21, 5, 8, 15, 4, yeah. So, I mean, this right here is all free passive income. And that's a fairly decent amount considering my channel is fairly on the small side for now. But I didn't set links for any of my older videos. This is probably 20 videos that I have links for. So not bad. And you can send links to your friends. Say you'd think Sally Joe over there wants to buy a new hair curler, and you can send that to her. And if she buys that hair curler, then you get a percentage of that, or your dad or your mom. I just don't think you can't do it within your household. Like if it's coming to the same address as what's listed for you, you can't do it. But your friends, you can email people, you can put it on Facebook, whatever you want to do, and you can make money that way. So it's not limited to YouTube. So just keep that in mind. This is a really good way to make money. And just wanted to share this with you guys because it's hard to make money on YouTube when you're not monetized. So this is a really good way. So go ahead, set up your Amazon affiliate account, or you can check other companies and try to be affiliates with them. There's always companies looking for faces to sell their products or put on their products. So you just have to do a little bit of marketing for yourself. And starting out, it's a good thing to learn because you kind of learn the world of online making money. So, and I want all you guys to succeed. I just wanted to kind of share this with you. I mean, someday these numbers might not be 13. They might be 200, 500. And this is just extra money that you get to have. So I wish you guys all the best of luck. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I appreciate you watching my video and have a good day.